Hi, I'm Nathan Fair, Director of Agriculture and Appropriate Technology. And the vision of AgTech through Youth with a Mission is to train and equip missionaries going all over the world. Here at Twin Oaks Ranch, we have a 450-acre property with 8 bodies of water, and we train missionaries in sustainable technologies such as gas biofilters, water filtration, safe and efficient cooking methods. We do different types of developing nation agriculture, and we also do animal husbandry. So I have Isaac Saboya here with me, who's on our staff, who runs one of our projects we call the Seed Project. And the Seed Project is basically a microfarm, a sustainable microfarm. And it's a really cool example of how not using nature, but using God's creation from the little things like microorganisms all the way up to things like goats in a sustainable and in a cyclical way. So the way that this microfarm works is in the center, there's a pond, a small pond with fish and aquatic plants, and then expanding from this pond are rings of food production, fruit tree production, and we integrate animals like goats, rabbits, chickens, different kinds of poultry. The animals will fertilize the plants will feed the humans and the animals. And this sustainable model of farming is something that we are working on building prototypes here at Twin Oaks Ranch so that we can replicate it all over the world. And it's one of the many training systems that we have. So we'll be implementing this microfarm in developing rural Africa, where there is no infrastructure, where there's no electricity, running water. They will be basically learning how to farm with the tools and resources available locally to them. And there are many benefits that would take too long to list. But one of the big problems in Africa is malaria. So in the middle of this pond, we have different types and species of fish that will be indigenous to the area. And some of those fish will be fed by the larvae of mosquitoes, and they'll actually be attracted to the water in a small light that will bring them in. And so we'll actually reduce the amount of mosquitoes that live in proximity to this microfarm. So based on our projections, this project, which will affect 1,500 men, women, and children in rural Africa, will cost about $10,000. At this point, we've raised $2,000, and we would like your help in not just donating, but being an integral part of this plan and project.
The God plan for this community is more that bring food, is more that bring one project. But the God plan for this people is bring dignity, bring hope, bring salvation, bring joy, bring faith for a better future. Thank you so much for your attention, and God bless you.